Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to delete your WordPress site and start again in Hostinger. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, make sure you are logged in. Now, just go on the left side and click on websites. Here, select websites, list. Now here, select the website which you want to delete. I'm going with this one, shop.manuplift.com. And now just click on dashboard. Okay, in here, go again on the left side, scroll down to the bottom and just click on files right over here. Click on file manager. Now here, click on this access files of shopmanuplift.com. Now here, click on this public underscore HTML. Click the file and just go on top right corner and click on select multiple. Now in here, select all the files and delete all the files. After that, this. Now you have to delete database. Go again on the main menu. Go over here on databases. Click on management. And here, click on these three dots and click on delete database. Then from delete, now the database is deleted. Now what you have to do, install a fresh WordPress. Just go over here on the search bar and click on and right here auto installer. This will appear over here. Click on auto installer and click on these three dots and delete this WordPress. Delete installation files, delete database. Now just click on delete. Now the WordPress is deleted. Just install a new WordPress. Click on select. Give your website a title. Make sure you have entered your username and password. Okay. Now in here, under installation path, make sure you have selected your domain correctly. And that's it. You're good to go. Now your WordPress is installed, and that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.